I think it's fair to say that all is well that ended well with the Jamaican leg of the Grand Slam track event. The National Stadium was beautiful, both live and on television. The meet was well organized in terms of timing, logistics, etc. The athletes competed with fire and passion, and the fans who turned up at the stadium provided a good vibe and energy. The organizers must have been quietly, if not loudly, disappointed with the size of the crowd over the 3 days, especially with boys and girls champs as the reference. Now, whether or not Michael Johnson and his team decide to take the Grand Slam track back to Jamaica, they need not to feel bad about the size of the crowd at the stadium. They need to understand that the champs phenomenon is totally unique to champs, and no athletics event in the world except champs gets that champs crowd. So Michael Johnson and the Grand Slam team just continue working on that slam crowd and take your mind off the champs crowd.